Tonight, we honor a company located in Pune that is a legend in itself. Blending ownership and discipline, this Pune powerhouse has slashed stock from 130 crores to 85 crores in just 1.5 years. Delivered 226 crores in financial year 23 cost savings against a 164 crore target, and cut 59 seconds from the cam carrier sealant cycle through brilliant in-house low-cost automation. With lean factory design, 4S stable flow, MES-integrated kitting, iStream digital utilities, Vajra-driven skill, and defect intelligence, and a vibrant Kaizen and INNOVISTA culture powering daily management and reliability, this site stands as a benchmark in people-driven OPEX excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, proudly calling on stage the Tata Motors Limited Commercial Vehicles Division, Pune. Please get your hands together as we have the Tata Motors team joining us on stage. Yeah, so maybe I have a few words.
I would like to thank Kaizen and INNOVISTA team for their excellent assessment. And also I take this opportunity to thank my senior management to go through this assessment, and my colleagues who have helped us to take this journey. We were under the impression that we are doing great job because Tata Motors is a legend company. It's a very old setup and we are doing fantastic job. We are under the impression. After the assessment, we come to know that there is a good amount of gaps are there. There are lot many things to correct ourselves. So we got a lot of insights from the assessment and we are working on this. Right now, Tata Motors is moving forward innovation and as well as transformation journey based on it's a need of our business. With this kind of assessment really help us to take to the next level. Thank you very much.
Thank you and congratulations once again to Tata Motors. Ladies and gentlemen, on that note, we would also like to say a big thank you to Mr. Ghoshal and to Mr. Sharma. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Ghoshal, Mr. Sharma, thank you very much.